Hello, this is Ashiru Lanre. You're welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be putting you through how to create a dummy website. So let's get started. Alright, so if you want to create a dummy website, the first thing you need to do, or the first thing you need to have in mind, is that you need to get a CPA offer. You must have searched for the CPA offer that you want to promote, because the dummy website you are creating must be something that is related to the offer that you want to promote. You understand? Because actually you're going to be promoting your own affiliate offer on AdWord, but and in the beginning you're going to be presenting the dummy website you're going to create to AdWord. You're not to get approved by them. So then that means that you have to have planned yourself and know the kind of offer that you're going to be promoting at the end of the day. So that is why it is very, very important at this point to select the offer that you want to be promoting. So now I have decided to promote this offer, and I've searched for it using the method I showed you earlier in the video on how to select good offers in Max Bounty. So I've decided to promote this offer. It's a loan offer. You understand? It's an offer that has to do with loaning, on how to get loan, or to get funds. So in this case, I'm now going to head over to Yellow Pages and search for a very similar website that is offering the same services in the USA. You understand? So this will help me to present it to Google as my own website. So just follow me as I. So now, in order for you to get your dummy website, what dummy website actually means is that a website that you just want to use temporarily. You understand? So in order for you to get a dummy website that has content in it, that has original content in it, so you need help of websites like Yellow Pages, like this one you're seeing on your screen. You understand? So just go to yellowpages.com. So once you're there, you're gonna see something like this. So this this website has directory of all the websites in the USA. So just type in the keyword of the website you're searching for. So now we want to search for a website about loan. So once you can search for something like get loan. So then you can select a city. After inputting your keyword, then select the city where you want it to search for. So we are searching for Florida this time around, so let's ask it to search. Now this is the result of the search. So any of these websites, definitely you'll find one of them that will be related to the affiliate offer that you want to promote. So select one of them. Let me look at this one. Okay, pick a lender. Alright, this shouldn't be a bad one to promote. And let's look at this one also. Cassia USA. You can see that all these ones are related to the affiliate offer that we want to promote. You understand? So this is how you do your search. Make sure the website that you want to select is very related to the affiliate offer that you want to promote. And you should also have it in mind in case even if the affiliate offer that you want to promote, eventually you decide not to promote that affiliate offer again and promote another affiliate offer. So you should select a website or a domain that So the most important thing is to select a website that has a very good content and very, very related to your affiliate offer that you want to promote. So you can try to search for as many as possible website, just browse through the yellow page, open as many of them as you can to sample which one is best for you. So this is one of them also. I think this one might be good. So this needs a little bit of angle. Hey, I want to tell you that some of these websites may actually not open if you are not in the USA. You understand? Because right now I'm using a VPS which has a USA IP, and that makes it possible for any website to open, any US website to open on it. So in case you're using a different IP and it's not open, try to use a USA IP in order to access the website. So I think this one I'm seeing, I'm loving the content. So I just go through it. The connection is a bit slow, so that's why it's kind of hanging like that. So just scroll down to make sure that the website actually has content that can make Google approve it in time. So I think I can go with this one. So let me decide on using this one. So this one, the URL, what the most important thing to you after you've decided to use the website is the domain, because you're going to be dealing with the domain. This one is creditloan.com. So copy out the domain. So after you've decided on the which website to copy, then you're gonna need a software that is used in ripping website content. So, and in order to do that, you have two options. There are two softwares you can use to achieve that. The first one is called Darcy Ripper, while the second one is HTT Track. So I personally use Darcy Ripper. So once you can search for it on Google like this, then once you're there, just click on download. So it should take you to the download page where you'll be able to download the software. Alright, it's loading. So this is what you're gonna see. So you can just follow the instruction, download the software, follow the instruction here, download the software that is most compatible for your system. I think this first one will be okay. So download it. When you download it, so I've already downloaded it, so you're gonna have something like this on your system. So let me just quickly show you the contents of the software. So that's what you're gonna get at the end of the day when you download it. So just follow the instruction on the website to install it on your system. After the installation, you should be having something like this. This is Darcy Ripper. This is the shortcut. So once you have downloaded it and installed it, so open the software. So let's go back to the VPS and copy out the URL. At the end of the day, you're going to have to buy a domain that will be very, very similar to this one we are copying, because you're going to be hosting it like it's your own website in order to present to Google. So the software is still loading. Let's wait for it. Alright, so once the software is fully loaded, so you're gonna see something like this. Then click on new, that has that's plus sign. So in here, input the name of the website. I'll just give it any name. Can just give it any title actually. So I'm giving it credit loan. Then that website you copied, paste the URL of the website there. Why is it taking time to paste? I don't know why it's taking time to paste like this. I get it's the network, because I copied from the VPS. It shouldn't be taking time like this. Alright, so paste the website URL here. Alright. But I think there's something I did not check, because this is just the main domain of the website, and if you're going to get the same content you're seeing on this page, I'm supposed to copy all these URL in order to get this same content. But before then, let me just quickly check what is actually contained on the main domain of the website. Okay, this is the main website. I think this one is even better. This is even better. I'll go with this. So we can just go ahead and use creditloan.com. So copy it and paste it into that repo. So that will be the website that we are going to copy. So after then select where you're going to be saving your files. That is, after the software has copied the website content, the file where you want it to save it on your system. You understand? Okay. Alright, mine is going to be inside documents. So no, this is actually weird too. Okay, I'll just give it a name here. Users. So let me give it credit loan. Alright, so that's all you need to impute. There's nothing else you need to do. So leave this one as download entire website. Make sure this box is ticked like this. So then click OK. Then it will start working. Alright, so click on play. So it will ask you if you want it to create that folder. That's the folder where you are going to be saving that file. So say yes. Then it will start working. So give it some time to rip the website contents. Alright, so the website has been successfully ripped now. So the next thing is to go and locate the file inside the folder where you selected for it to be saved. So you can see all the details of everything that has been as it was ripped. You understand? So the software actually copied the whole contents, everything that is inside the website. All the pages have been copied. So let's go to the folder where it was downloaded. Okay, so go to locals, look at this, then users, then look for the name of the, okay, this is credit loan. So just try to, just like I told you earlier, make sure that you know exactly where you're saving the file on your system, so that it can be easy for you to locate it when you're trying to open the files. So this is the folder. So you can see it has actually ripped all the content of that website. And the good thing about this website, this kind of software that might interest you to know, is that when you rip a website like this, it's like you're copying the old template of that website, which you can use on your own. You can actually change the old content. You understand? You can change the content, but you already have the template. You can change the content to create any other website for yourself. So that's another beauty of this type of softwares. So let's just quickly check the website that we ripped. So just double click on the index.html file. So it should open the website. So let's wait for it to open. So the website just got loaded, so you can see, yeah, it's actually loading directly from the folder where it was downloaded. So this is actually offline, this is actually showing offline, so the website is yet to be uploaded online. You understand? So the next thing you need to do now in order to make this a complete dummy website is that you are going to need to get a domain, a domain that will look like exactly, like the domain of the website that we copied. You understand? So that means we're going to get something that that must be having credit loan dot something. It's only the extension that needs to be different. So in that case, let's go to our, I mean, hosting websites. I normally use Namecheap, namecheap.com for my hosting and domain purchases. So you can actually use any other hosting website that you prefer. You understand? So it doesn't have to be Namecheap alone. It could be GoDaddy, it could be any other one. So that will take you back to the page where you can search for the domain. So the domain we are looking for is credit loan. Yeah, credit loan dot something. Credit loan. So just enter credit loan there and search. I'm probably looking for creditloan.usa. Creditloan.us. If I can get that, that will be okay for me. So just need to search for something similar to that, because any extension, any domain that has .us is actually cheaper on Namecheap. So they have a lot of cheap domains, and their hosting package is also not too expensive. It's actually one of the cheapest on the internet. So um, you can use them for whatever hosting services that you need. So the page is still loading up. My connection is actually very, very slow this time, so please bear with me. Still loading the page. Alright, so you can see the list of domains that are available for this keyword. Alright, loan.me, I do want .me, .pro, one loan.biz. Okay, that one is not even available. I'm looking for .us first, but I think .us seems not to be available. Let me search for it directly here. I didn't search for .com. Did I search for .com? Search for .us. Let's see what you have for this. Ibis. Okay, .us is taken. So I'm gonna have to look for another one. .club, .online is available. .store, .ink, .tv, .echo, .pro, .me, .tv. Alright, since the .us has been taken, so I think I'm just gonna have to make do with any other one that is available. So right now I think I can go with this .club, because I'm considering the price It's actually very cheap. It's just like $1. So I think this is okay. So I can add this to cart and make payment for it. Alright, that's been added to my cart, so I can just go ahead and make payment for it. Alright, let me view it in my cart. Alright, we are here. I think there's another thing that they are adding to it, which is what? Okay, ICANN fee. Alright, everything is just $1.17, so that is okay. So I just go ahead and make payment for this. So I can confirm my order now and make payment. Alright, so select your payment method. You can use credit card, you can use PayPal, or any other one that you find comfortable. So I'm going to be using PayPal to make this payment. So alright, PayPal's already been selected, so let's continue. Alright, so you then have to log into your PayPal. Okay, I guess I've changed my password recently. Alright. Alright, so click on continue. Alright, the payment has been successful. Thank you for your purchase. So that means now I have my domain. So now I can complete my process of creating a dummy website. So after you have successfully made payment for your domain, so you log back into your Namecheap account. So just go back to dashboard. So once you're on the dashboard, click on domain list. So once you this one is logging me out because it's been logged in. So let me just quickly log in now. Alright, click on your domain list, then select that domain that you just bought. In front of it, you see manage. Click the manage that is in front of it. When you newly buy a domain on Namecheap, so the default settings for the name server is usually Namecheap basic DNS. So that is the basic one that is usually there. But in order for you to be able to host your domain, to be able to host your website on that domain, you need to come here after you purchase the domain and change it to Namecheap web hosting DNS. I've already done this because I had to update some things about my hosting earlier, so and it warranted me to change the settings. So I already changed it to Namecheap web hosting DNS. So this is the first thing you need to do after you purchase your domain. So once that settings has been done, you now move to your cPanel. So you move to your cPanel in order to be able to access the domain that you just bought and upload your website into it. So if you don't have a hosting, if you haven't purchased a hosting subscription from any web hosting providers, then you'll not be able to access this page you're seeing. So you need to purchase a hosting package either from Namecheap or any other hosting provider you prefer. So if you're using Namecheap, like you're seeing on your screen right now, so you're going to have something like this. Actually, once you immediately you pay for your hosting, the day you pay for your hosting, you're going to receive the detailed information on how you're going to be logging into your cPanel in your email. So you should always follow that instruction on to log in into your cPanel. So let me quickly log in now. So once you're logged into your cPanel, look for File Manager. So once you click on it, it will take you to this page. Once you're on this page, look for the folder. Actually, okay, sorry, because I've actually done the setup earlier in order not to waste too much time on this video. I'd actually done the first step of the settings. After you have changed your name server, like I showed you earlier in your Namecheap account, so you need to follow this instruction you're seeing on this web page. The one you're seeing on this web page, actually the tutorial there is actually self-explanatory, so just follow it to set up your hosting file. That's the file that will be where you'll be hosting your website, that will be linking to that your domain. So that will be linking to that new domain that you just bought. So but in case you cannot do this yourself, you can always contact the Namecheap customer service. They can actually do it for you. Their customer service is available 24/7, so you can talk to them at any time. Once you're on their website, if you scroll down on any part of the website you are, just scroll down on that page, you will always see chat with a live person. So just click on that button. From there you'll be able to chat with their customer service. Whatever problem, whatever issues you're having, they can attend to it, and they can actually help you to solve the problem. They can actually help you to upload your website in case you don't know anything about how to do it. So let's get back to where we were going. So once you are inside the file manager, look for the folder for that domain that you just bought. You can see that this is the domain that we just bought. I already created a folder for it, you understand, but I'm yet to upload my website, because that's the first stage you need to do. You need to create a folder that will be hosting your website inside the file manager. So now I have my folder for the website. So right now, if you go to that website, if you go to that domain, you understand, you'll still be seeing blank page, you understand. So until you upload your website files. So let's just quickly go in and see. That is credit loan, sorry, my connection is a bit slow. Creditloan.club. can see now that the website is still blank. There is nothing on the page. You understand? But this one that is showing, it shows that there is a folder that can contain the website files. That's ready to contain the website files if you upload them. So let's get back to the folder. So what you need to do now is click on upload here. So now you can go and upload that file, that website file that we ripped. So locate it from the folder where it was saved on your system. Alright, so I believe you can still remember how I got here, how to get here. You know, once you go to, just locate it anywhere you save it on your website. So this, but as it is now, you cannot upload, I mean, this type of folder, you cannot upload it to your cPanel. So you need to you need to zip it, either using WinRAR or any other any archival software that you can get. So here I think I'm using BandZip. So I'm using BandZip. You can use WinRAR, you can use WinZip. So any of them that you have, you can just use it. So you're gonna have to compress the folder into a zip file. So let me just do that right now. So wait for the folder to be compressed. So it has been fully compressed now. So it is the compressed folder, the zipped one, the .zip file that you upload onto your cPanel. So you can see now it's uploading it. So alright, let's just wait for it to be completely uploaded. Let us show it. Alright, it's almost done. Alright, it is fully uploaded now. So click on go back. So okay, you can see now that the folder is here inside the file is here inside the folder now. So now the next thing you need to do is to extract this the files inside this folder back to your web hosting folder. So you can right click on it and select extract, or you can, while the folder is selected like this, then you can select you can click on extract up here. You understand? So any of the two you use is okay. So click on extract. It will extract everything, all the files inside that folder. It will extract it out to you. Okay, it has already been extracted now. So just close this one. So now you can see that we have all the files, all the website files. We have them here. So, but before you go ahead, you need to delete the compressed file, the compressed folder, which is this one. You need to delete it. Alright, so you won't be having a duplicate of the files in your folder. So right click and delete it. Alright, so now we now have all the files of our website inside the folder. So the next thing now is to go and check the website, because that's all you need to do on this part to make sure your website go live. So let's go back to our website and just refresh. So all you have to do now is go back to that page and click on refresh to see if the website has been loaded. Wow, you can see now that the website has been fully loaded. You can see all the content of that first website we saw that we copied. You can see all the content here now. If you go to that website, that is creditloan.com, you would see that it's having the same content with your own creditloan.club. So that means that you have successfully copied the website now, and now you have a complete dummy website fully loaded with content. So now you are ready to apply for um, an AdWord account, so with this website. So, and that brings us to the end of this tutorial. So thank you so much for listening. I will see you on the next video, where I'll be taking you through how to create an AdWord account. Thank you so much for listening.